What's up, my G's? We are going to see more wedding venues today. I am chilling like I'm at limit a little bit. Today, later on today, we're also going to be working on the S13. I just woke up and I need my amp. But yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Because I gotta clean this up and I want to undercoat the whole underneath. And I bought undercoat for that, so yeah. Yesterday I was just chilling after I made the video. I went back downstairs, hung out with Monica and designed, and got finalized some designs that are coming out. Yeah. You excited? Lena, you excited? You like this place? Do you like this place or the other place better?
The other place.
Really? I kind of like this place aside from it's stinky. No, I just like the outside. It makes me feel like I'm...
The higher you hold it, the fancier you are.
What do you think?
I kind of liked it.
I liked it.
I liked her.
I liked it.
You did? I liked it too.
But
if we do it here, I would want to do the... I kind of would want to do the ceremony here too.
Yeah, I agree.
Like all in one place. It too. I didn't like the chairs. We'd have to get the chair covers. Everything's gonna be so expensive.
I don't know.
Mom, look, her car's shimmery.
Wow.
Shimmering and shining. Yeah, I don't know. I have to figure it out.
Alright.
Cause I like the area better.
Like the whole space.
Yeah, outside.
Me too, yeah, especially in the summer. Hopefully it doesn't rain though.
Lena, what's the deal with you? What's good with you? Alright, my G's, I am going to start working on the S13. We got a lot of stuff to do. I need to take the wheels off. I hope I have my 21, but I have to take the wheels off, undercoat everything. There's a lot of rust. Not a lot of rust, but just rust starting. I want to get it before it gets crazy. Go over the whole car. There's my old clutch kicking, or not clutch kicking, my old slave cylinder. No, my old clutch line that's hanging down. I got to take that off. I just want to clean it up. Get ready for the next couple weeks. Test fit the wheels?
I stayed at my mentors at Solomon, and then I stayed back. Always, she would let me record. I'd always be recording in the attic or wherever I could. So I love you. Thank you for supporting me. But then she was like, "You got to get the frick out of here too." That time that I opened up.
You like this?
For Ghostface Killer, man.
You're really
Gilbertsville.
Yeah, just be careful. Let me see. Watch out. Back up. This is how you got to stand back. So does it look good on the car?
Yep.
They actually paint them black.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of think so too.
You wanna paint it?
No, I got to paint inside there. Guys, so this, I just want to give you an update. This is what I'm doing. I'm basically I'm undercoating basically the bottom. And then, pretty much I'm undercoating the whole entire frame and chassis. So you can see like, even underneath it, I'm just running across and trying to, because this car is like somewhat rusty, so I want to make sure that everything is taken care of as far as undercoating and longevity of the car. And then I sprayed right here only because I have like a rear valance coming in and side skirts, so technically I could even like cut and spray this, but I don't want to mess with it honestly. So that's one side done. We're gonna move on to the next. So far I got one side done. I gotta do the next side. I got all the wheels off, but this side has like an obnoxious amount of rust. So I'm just putting like all metal filler on there for now, because in the winter I want to cut this all out and redo this. It's not hard. I just gotta cut it out. And then but yeah, it's not clean. Like there's a couple of spots. Like I want to undercoat all pretty much all of that. So yeah, That's it though. That's all I'm working on today. And then after that, I'm gonna help Monica clean. I have to cut the grass, even though it's wetting it right now. But yeah, after that I gotta cut the grass, and then I want to go over the car with you guys. So just little by little. But here we go. Lena likes to wash my car. Evan's here. Say hi. So I know. Back at it. Yeah, so I finished everything. I didn't film that much because like we ate lunch and chilled, and then when everything's undercoated, the wheels are back on. Realistically, I just have to just get new tires on my new wheels. And yeah, dog. It looks good though. Everything came out sweet. I'm about to do some fancy shots though.
Yeah, it's getting shiny. I just do once-overs because so it's really shiny.
You did once-overs?
Yep.
All right, good job, Lena.
That's what happened at my.
Yeah, I'm digging your outfit right now.
My cousin.
There's a buttload of them. They're coming to say hi. They love the channel. Lena, you like those motorcycles? We got a squadron. Next on the agenda is I gotta make a sweatshirt for my homie. His Porsche, I don't know, you guys probably seen it. My buddy's Porsche that I made videos on a while ago. The K-Series Porsche is going to SEMA, so I want to make him a special hoodie. He's having like a little party. It was a surprise, but then his wife told him so. But yeah, I gotta make him a hoodie, and that takes a while, so. All right, that's going. I am going to work on the music video meanwhile, while I'm waiting for that. And then we're gonna head over to Scotty G's later, and life will be good. I appreciate it. I just been chilling. Oh boy. I gotta get this video done because I wanna get it done by the time he gets back. So I'm gonna check my YouTube comments, reply to everyone, and then get to work. And then go to see Scott. Hopefully, I think it'll actually be fun. I'm kinda hyped. It's really nice out. I'm hyped to cruise the windows down. It's gonna be fun. Alright, Lena. You ready?
Is it right here?
Alright, sweatshirt took forever, like took a couple hours to make, but just because it's a real big, not a real big embroidery, but I should have filmed it. I forgot to. Actually, I didn't even take pictures of it. There's no. I just realized I think my camera crashed because it was having issues, but I'm editing now, and I think it deleted some of the clips. So the night is non-existent. But we went to Scotty G's, had a good time. Monica had fun. We got home, chilled out, drove, and life was good. I don't know. My camera's gonna die. My battery's at work. Take my extra spare battery and my charger's at work. So I'm gonna plug it. Luckily the Sony can plug in and charge, but it takes forever. So I might not film as much today because I just want to charge this up. But yeah. I don't know. I didn't film too much this video. I didn't really capture what I did. But the car, I fixed everything. I was just focused on getting it ready because when it's my daily, I can't. Like I don't want to leave room for error. So I just kind of like went to work and just got it done. And I still have to fix my idling. I still have to go over the car with you guys and what my plans are. I want to do that today, but I said that for 3 days straight. My dudes, happy Sunday. I love you so much. Quick video, just a little bang bang, but we're gonna get back at it. We're just gonna slowly roll into this, and I'm gonna film as much as possible. Some days I'm tired, so holla at your boy, guys. I love you so much. Happy Sunday. Hit me up on Instagram, like and freaking subscribe. Like this video. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Holla. Love you. See ya. Happy freaking Sunday, man.
Time for me to pick it up, I gotta run. It seems like yesterday I just turned 21. I don't wanna be on one and done. I wanna do something that nobody has done. I spent too many nights trying to figure out why I am the way that I am. I'm picking fights with my girl, I know you fucking can.